What's up, traders? Welcome to today's Equity Empire Chart Analysis session. When most investors are throwing darts, we're looking for clues in the charts. My name is John McHugh. I'm a former Wall Street analyst, hedge fund manager, and independent trader for the better part of 20 years. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the chart of crypto trading platform Coinbase Global, symbol COIN. And when we take a look at the chart, we're simply going to be looking for support and resistance levels for either a quick bounce trade or a lower entry price for a long-term position. So let's get right into it and go find a support level. And there is a support level right here in the 309 to 295 price range. Okay, there's a support level below that down here in the 258 to 237 price range. So two support levels. Let's now go see if we can find a resistance level. And there is a pretty substantial resistance level if we go back several years right up here. And that's right here in the 337 to 368 price range. Okay, so that is a resistance level that formed in late 2021. So it's been several years since that resistance level formed. But you'll notice that as price climbed rapidly in November of last year, we got rejected from that resistance level pretty meaningfully. So got slapped right back down after price ran up to that resistance level. Dropped all the way back down to 150 and has climbed dramatically from April. The stock is more than doubled from April, and we're back in that resistance level. So instead of chasing up here, buying in a resistance level, after the stock has already run 40% in the last week and has doubled in the last couple months, instead of chasing and buying at current prices in that resistance level, we'll patiently wait to see if we can get a pullback for a bounce off of one of these two support levels, and then back to retest. So maybe we can break through that level, that resistance level, after we pull back. Now, it may not pull back. We may just blast right through that resistance level this time. Okay? If that's the case, we won't get filled on our entry, and we'll have to go find another trade, which is fine since there's 7,000 other stocks to choose from. Okay? So we're not going to chase Coinbase after a 40% weekly move. Once again, patiently wait for a pullback into, I'm going to choose this upper support level. So the game plan would be this. We will place a buy limit order at 39.02, protective stop just below 295, and place the target just in front of that resistance level. And that trade setup there has about a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Okay? So the game plan, that's our game plan. Ideally, it would play out something like this. Ideally, Coinbase would pull back and retest, come back and test that support level down there. We get filled, ideally, and we work our way higher, come back to the resistance level, and you could either, if that were to happen, you could either take all the profits, a 2-to-1 reward to risk, you could take a partial off, or maybe you could just wait and see if we can actually next time break through that level, okay? Which is possible, but our trade setup right here has a 2-to-1 reward to risk. So the conservative way to play that would be if price pulled back to the 309 price range, you'd enter there. You'd have a protective stop, once again, just below 295, and a target just in front of 337. That'd be the conservative way to trade this. And once again, if we got to 337, you decided you wanted to hold on and see if we could break through that resistance level the next time, you could go for it that way. So that's the trade setup for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the session. I'll be back each day this week for more technical analysis. In the meantime, wish you the best of luck in your trading and investing, and we'll see you soon.